Did you know that Galileo Galilei was the first to explain how objects move when they're thrown?
Really, so that did he discover?
He found out that projectile motion is actually a combination of two independent movements: horizontal motion, which stays constant, and vertical motion, which is accelerated by gravity.
Oh, so that why when you throw something, it doesn't drop straight down but follows a curved path.
Exactly. That curved path is called a parabolic trajectory. Before Galileo, people thought objects just move in a straight line and then suddenly fell. But it's shown that gravity continuously pulls an object downward while it moves forward, creating that curve.
That's interesting. How did he figure this out?
He experimented by rolling balls down inclined planes and observing their motion. He realized that the only force acting on a projectile in the vertical direction is gravity, while the horizontal motion remains unchanged unless another force interferes.
That sounds like something Newton will talk about.
Galileo's discoveries lead to Newton's law of inertia, which says that an object in motion stays in motion unless an external force stops it. So this applies to all kinds of things, right?
Yup, here a few examples of two-dimensional projectile motion. A cannonball being fired, a billiard ball bouncing on a table, a bullet shot from a gun, even the motion of the Earth around the Sun.
Wait, so the Earth's movement is also projectile motion?
Yes, gravity pulls the Earth toward the Sun, but since it also moving sideways, it follows a curved path just like a projectile.
Wow! Galileo really changed how we understand motion.